Some gambling gets get all the looks and pick the packs and make up and show we a bunch of shady criminal and guess the latest, but we did our time. We pay for a crime and get misdemeanors while we serve our dominions. Even though this kinda sketchy, yes and fellas, but doesn't mean our enemy can go and kill us. We can be the roller coaster. Why didn't kill me pounding the straw on a samosa? It's such a job to have a boss who pays you back, who pays us back, and bump too hard. Some enemies got all the luck, but that's not us. Oh, sure, our luck is true. It really stings, it really sucks. So we just play for money. Some gaming girls get all the looks. You said check this, now listen up to me. Your life can seem just fine. You think that I try being nice. The other day, this guy was crazy. The boy at school called me a gay. Yeah. Even though I'm gonna never tell you for sure, another one I just wanna freaking murder. I know you think your enemy's the one who did it, but I will find the evidence to give them a credit. I'm just a kid. That's what they say to have it. Ain't no one alone who pays you back. Not go with picking them. So that some to a bit of you. The skills that all the life. Such a vessel for you just be. The world is far for money. I'm gonna show them about what I did too. Gotta show them about what's way better. But you think that I made it go past that. No matter what, I'm gonna show you all. We don't care if your enemies did it or not, as long we take care of everything. It doesn't matter that what they did, it doesn't matter what they do to you and what. As long as we solve this problem up, because we will all mess them up. And teach them why they didn't mess with you. How you like it when they stay off beat. And we don't care what they do you or what they do when not with bad. It doesn't matter as long as we take care of everything them go. But you know what they. I don't care if you call them your mob. It doesn't matter what you say about them. As long as we solve them up, we'll always mess them up. I want them to stand back up. Even though you're paying us money, even though they always cheat you. If some money is in the game, but that is stronger just than gambling. We don't care what you are gambling for. But we don't pay for the money. We just play it for fun. We don't play it for the money. I don't care what you were saying. I don't care what you were playing. Nobody see you wanna walk the street. Nobody even wanna see your enemies too. Nobody wanna see your enemies walk the street because they always hate your enemies. But don't worry, we will solve them out with my squad over here. We'll search for everything. We search for evidence of what we've got. We search for everything we have. That's all, folks. No! That's all, folks.